What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. I'm here at Wheaton Creek where the water level's low on this chilly Wednesday morning. I'm looking down, the water level's low, and I can't make anything out down there. I can see the bottom. I would give you guys a look, but after looking at this wall here, it's not flat. It's got a lump right in the middle. So, plus I don't want any police come by and stop and tell me to get the hell off the wall. So, other than that, I'm gonna throw the magnet in and see what I get. Also got my grappling hook just in case. Even though you don't see anything, doesn't mean there's nothing down there. If you saw my previous videos when I was down here, I commented how messy this area is. That's why I brought my pressure washer with me. And I got something on here, which, like I said, isn't much. Yeah, junk. Alright guys, I got something on here. Looks like maybe half of a bike. I see a tire on there. I was debating on whether to bring my truck or not, but I got this 50-pound challenge going on. 50 pounds every time I come out here for 20 days. Depending on the weather. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Like I said, I'm just gonna bring the item up on this concrete wall and take a look instead of putting it on the ground. Just decrease the, you know, it would be less mess if I do it this way. Because all I have to worry about is pressure washing the top of the wall, not the sidewalk. Now here's a pipe. I don't think this is part of the bike, because they wouldn't have a, what do you call it, plastic bottom to it. Then you got the bike frame here, or the fork. This junk. You got the tire. See if I can break this off so I can remove the tire. Yep. So it's about 5 pounds right there. And something else on here. It's rubber. Alright guys. Like I said, this area is like the bike graveyard. And right now I got another part of a bike on here with the tire. I think this tire has the rim on it, I think. I think the first thing that goes on the bike when it ends up in the water for a long time is the rim. The rim is aluminum. I'm surprised it's sticking to this magnet. Alright, let's see what kind of crap we got here. Now this rim's falling apart. It's all yeah. Yeah, this tire is done for it. This piece of metal. I didn't wear my arm protectors on today. And there's a piece of metal, but what's left of it, it's just going to be a thin piece of metal. And there it is, right there. That's it. All the rest is just magnetic rock or whatever. What else is on here? I got this. That big magnetic rock. Oh, alright. I got something on here. Doesn't look like a bike frame. I think it's part of a shopping cart. I can see bikes down there now that I've been what do you call it, disturbing the soil or the mud or wherever you want to call it down there. I see rocks down there. Maybe it's the reason why I have a hard time getting the whole frame instead of pieces of the frame. And maybe that's another reason why some of these bikes fall apart before I get the whole bike, because it keeps hitting these rocks. Yeah, this is a shopping cart, except for what the heck, this is a J-hook right here. J-hook, that's good. Piece of cast iron there. It's got a hole in it. And it's down right there. So you got about 11, 12 pounds so far. And what's this? Got a fishing line. Looks like sinkers. Oh, I got one of these, and I mean, I got a bunch of these and never got one like this, a lure like this with a weight on it. Never got one of those. Okay. This I don't expect to be metal. I'll put it aside for now. This is a little too heavy to be to a shopping cart, but it does have a rock at the end. Still doesn't make a difference, it's still heavy. That's good. That's I say it's about 4 pounds right there. So it's about 16 pounds so far. And you got this here, which has maybe a half a pound at the most. 16.5 pounds so far. Let's see if I can break this. Need all the room I can get, unless I get something really big. I might save this rock. Is it magnetic? Nope, maybe I won't save it. Nope, that's all junk. Anything else on there? Nah, that's it. So stay on there. All right, got it right in the middle. There's a lot of dirt come out of it. Everything down here is, last time I was here, I pulled out a scooter and a bike, and always had the same color, like a blue or purple. Stay on there. As you can see, the color right here, or this one's like a pink, but no, it's like a violet. I don't know what kind of bike it is. Nothing but a mess. Like I said, this area is messy. One messy area. Oh, there goes the tire. Good, if I get my magnet off of there. What else is on here? My bucket's starting to fill up real quick. That's right. Oh, right, I got another bucket. Last time I was here, I filled, whoa, one of these buckets up, and another one of these buckets was totally full. So I had one bucket full of debris and a little bucket full of debris. And what I do is, when I take the debris home, I got a 55-gallon barrel, plastic barrel, of course, and I get this out of here, put it over here, and I put it all in there. I let it sit, let it dry out, and I get bags, not plastic bags, but the bags that the litter comes in, or the pet food comes in, and I use those bags because they're strong, and I put a little bit out for the trash, because the Department of Public Works doesn't take dirt or anything like that, or any debris like that. You gotta put it out with the trash. You see what I left on the ground here. Oh yeah, that's the part of the bike. Yep, it's part of the bike. So now I got about 20 pounds, 25 pounds. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I got my magnet on the bike. I don't want to end up losing it, because every time I get it, try to pull it up, ends up sliding down on this little slope here, and then I end up losing it. It probably goes right underneath the overpass here. So that's why I brought my hook along, my grappling hook, so I can you know, even everything out here. There's hope nobody on the bike or or jog and come through here. Might trip over my rope or stuff. Yeah. Trying to get it on the rim. I still have to do some modifications to my grappling hook. I gotta give it more of a hook. If I give it a little bit more of a hook there, one thing I don't want to do is get onto the magnet there. Do I have it? There's only one way to find out. Let me pull my magnet up. Okay, here we go. Don't. Oh shit, I got more than a bike on here. There's something else holding it down. It's like a cable or something. It's making it very hard. It's gonna take everything I got. I still gotta clear these overpass here. Don't slip. Hold on. Yes, this is what holding it down. I like to know where this cable. Okay. Plant life. I can throw that back in the water. It's like, what do you call it? Coaxial cable. Don't know why I had the cable tied up for, and a knot. There's a lot of cleanup. Yes, bike looked like it was camouflaged. It wasn't camouflage for me because I saw you. I don't know what kind of bike it is. There's words on here. It says Stone Mountain, or yeah, Stone Mountain. That's what it says, Stone Mountain. That's the first time I was able. Somebody cut the lock. Look at that. Somebody cut this off. Probably stole it, threw it in the creek. I don't know what's the sense of doing that. You steal a bike and you throw it in the creek, or maybe the police were onto them or something. So I didn't really need the grappling hook. Anything else on there? That's a piece of the pedal. Oh yeah, by the way, at the time when I had the camera off, I did get a blade out of there. So just wanted to point that out. Yeah. Okay. Nothing else on there. Alright. What's this? Nothing. Alright, let me get this cleaned up. Alright guys, giving the magnet a rest. I see tires, I'm aiming for tires right now. And trying to see if that's a pipe. Yeah, I see a fork of a bike. like I'm gonna need more rope. Or I'll just move this. Down. Good. This right here is good enough. There's a fork. I'm not going to be able to get it with the grappling hook. I'll need a magnet for that. But I'm trying to see if I can get these tires. Alright. I'll just go straight down and see what the hell this is. Alright, doesn't seem like this is working out, so I'll try something else. Might have to go with the magnet again, because I saw I'm going to get the fork, and plus there might be a pipe. So, but before I move everything down, I'm going to see if I can get, before the water starts coming back. It looks like a bike frame. Okay. I forgot to unravel this. Would have had a lot more rope. But see if I got it. Aiming for the frame here. Yep. All right. I got a bike here. Now I gotta bring this back over, because I might need a grappling hook just in case as a lifeline. See, I was just going to use the grappling hook to fish out the bikes, but that's not possible because, like I said, I got to modify my grappling hook a little bit where I can get a what you call it. Let's see what I got here, just in case. Before I go over there. Alright, let me go over there. No sense wasting time. I lost about 2 possible bikes I could have took out because it kept sliding off the magnet and going downhill on this little slope here. And it goes underneath the overpass. I was way off. I didn't want to do that. I got the hook on the magnet. That's what I didn't want to do. But let's see what I can get. This is heavy as hell. Is this 2 bikes or 1? Ah, shit. I lost it. Damn it. See what I got on the magnet. It's probably all a bunch of crap. Still heavy. I should put that got a hook on there. Yeah, it's a bunch of crap on here. My bucket's filling up. I have to use my reserve. Yeah, there's nothing on here but mud. Alright guys, I got something on here. It's not a bike. I'm pulling on either a fishing line or more cable, but I see a, I don't know if I can get it up. Mine might come off. Attached to a branch, but there's a bag. I'm gonna see if I can get the bag. Shit. It's probably just water. I'm just gonna let it drain. Yeah, it's just a bag of water. I was trying to get a bike, but I got the pedal instead. Some of these bikes look like they've been down there for like 20 years. Shit like this. Well, it depends on what's in the water that causes it to look like that. I mean, I could put out frames from other waterways that, you know, don't corrode. They look like they could be old bikes, but still don't corrode. I guess it depends on what type of metal they're made out of. And it depends on the weight of the bike too. Alright. Spot to put that. When I go to my car, I'll put that in the. I got a bunch of Ziploc bags. I'll put that in there. I don't think you need to call the police on that. I mean, what the hell are they gonna do? This? It's nothing. Oh, it could be. Oh, yeah, it's something. Yep, it's a piece of metal there. Where it goes to, I do not know. It's flat. I don't know. This, I don't think it goes to a shopping cart. Whoa, get the crap out of here. There's only one way to find out. No, I don't think it's a shopping cart. So it has some. I don't see any silver paint on there, so but I'll take it. Add to my weight. I know I'm over 50 pounds. And take this, throw that in there. See what else I got on here before I change my battery out. All little pieces of metal here. There's other pieces laying around here I had to take. So I didn't want to leave it laying around. Where is it? I must have threw it in the bucket already. Alright guys. Got most of it cleaned up, got a new battery in. Had my rope. My rope got jammed up here. I had to spend 5 minutes to get it out, so I'm going to avoid that gap there. Matter of fact, I think it's time that I move down from here. Start making my way out. I might have a better advantage. It could be a shorter throw. I guess I'll find that out. Put everything down here. Tie over here, and you got another gap here, but I don't think I'll get my rope stuck in there. All right. Move this hook out of my way. All right. Gotta make sure I get tangled up here. Maybe for the bike, that bike frame right here. All right, I missed my mark. Oh, now I'm on something else. Then I'm running over rocks, and I got wood and everything on there. Branches. Let's see if you guys can see it. Got branches on there. Now we'll hold on. Come on, stay on there. You know, once these bike frames filled up with all kinds of debris, water, mud and stuff, it's very hard. It has a lot of weight. Come on, stay on there. I can't hit that overpass. I gotta clear it. Shit, just hit the overpass. Stay on there. Well, the branches came off. I don't know. Oh, I even got a... It's two of a kind. I pulled a bike just like this color on the other side. Seems like somebody doesn't like the color purple or blue. Huh. I don't know what the hell this is. All right. What's the chances of two bikes of the same frame, same design, one being on that side and one on this side? I don't know. Looked like somebody was running a racket here, disposing of the evidence or something. There's a piece of a handle. Wait. Here's the other part of the handle. All right. All right, everyone. Trying to work my way off to the edge here. I put everything on the other side now. Working my way out, but I'm concentrating on something down here. I don't know what it is. It could be a pallet, a wooden pallet, some type of ladder maybe. I don't know. Is it metal? Because if it is, oh yeah, it's metal. But it's stuck down there like glue. There's no way I can get a grappling hook on it. It's a lot of fishing line. I've been getting a lot of fishing line out of here. Matter of fact, I got fishing line coming up, along with a lot of plant life. And maybe some pieces of metal, baby. Yeah. This went to a bike. Here's the brake pads. Well, there used to be a brake pads of a bike. And oh, you got another fishing lure on here. This looks pretty destroyed. I don't need the plant life unless I want to make a ghillie suit out of it. I don't know if you know what a ghillie suit is. Ghillie suit's a type of camouflage. When you put it on, you look like the cross between Bigfoot and a pine tree. Where's that lure at? Is there a hook on the end of this? Nope. Alright, stick this in there. Pull the greenery back in there. And scrape off my magnet. Alright guys, I got... trying to head back over here. Hopefully I don't get my rope stuck in that gap there. Trying to aim for the one that got away. I average about 3 bikes over here. I mean, the first time I came here. I'm gonna see if I can get 4. There's something on there. As I said, this is a bike graveyard here. About 2 of the bikes I lost, probably underneath the overpass. This piece right here looks like a, I don't know, one looks like might go to a bike, and the other piece looks like an L frame or L beam. That is nasty. Look at all those shells on there. This is a piece to a bike. Should have brought a screwdriver. I don't want to load those shells in my car. I could bang them out. Yeah, this is a piece of post, maybe a signpost. Jesus. God damn it. Alright, let me get situated. Looks like a bike. And there's something else down in the water. The bottom base of a chair. It's a long way up. I don't know what the heck this is. Looks like it has a little filter on it. Maybe a... Is there a motorcycle maybe? That's what it looks like, a little filter right here. Huh. And of course you got the tire, the frame. Get this out of the way. Break some of this stuff off. I don't think I ever I could have got the bike up without this piece of cast iron plate here. No, this will contribute to my weight. This is about easy 10 pounds right here. And since I did that, I uncovered something in the water. It was reddish in color. I know what the other thing is base to a chair. It might not be metal or metallic or ferrous, whatever term you want to use. All right. Just stuck to my bucket, make a couple throws, and that'll be it. Not only do I exceed 50 pounds, I made up for the 25 pounds that I was short on. But then I'm not going to celebrate yet because I still have to process the metals. Because I got a lot of cleaning up to do. I'm not gonna leaving this place like this because when I first came here, I noticed how clean it was. I just hope I got enough water. I got a bucket of water because it's less what I used last time, 1 bucket of water. And it's just barely had enough water. I found 2 guns at Big Timber Creek. Around where, you know where the Big Timber Creek liquor store is? Right along there. One's a Colt, one was a Luger.
Yeah, you found a bunch of random junk down, aren't you?
And a grenade.
Hey, shit.
So,
pretty cool. Good luck, man.
yep. This is trash. Whoa, look at that spider. I think it's the ones you gotta look out for. GoPro turn off. Where's this at? Alright guys, I got a frame, a bike frame, like a whole bike. I hope it stays on there. There's that shiny red thing I was trying to get. It wasn't metal or anything. But this is gonna be the last one, if I can get it up. It's heavy. Of course, it's got something attached like fishing line to it. This came right out of the ground. Alright. Easy now. There we go, another purple bike. Alright, this is gonna be the last one. I just hope I can fit this in my car. I got 5 bikes I got to fit in my car. And then I got the buckets I got to put in the car. Whew. Alright, last look at this bike, and then I gotta start the cleanup detail. What the hell is this? Those are the spokes, and there's that fishing line. Gotta get that out of the water. Alright. Alright guys. Trying to steam clean this, or not steam clean it, power wash it, or pressure wash it. At least try to get as close as presentable as possible. When I first came here, I noticed how clean the sidewalks were and stuff, and I don't want to, you know, get a bad reputation of leaving a lot of debris around. So I just hope I got enough water. Some areas you can get away with it, especially if it's an abandoned area, you know, abandoned bridge or something. And then there's areas like this where when I first came here, everything's pretty managed, pretty good, especially when you got the Department of Public Works right there. You better keep the area clean. And I don't think it's only going to be like 3 days before we get any rain or anything. I mean, if there was a storm on its way, a major storm, then I would, I mean, I would still clean it. I wouldn't kill myself doing it. Oh, water's getting low already. All right. I try to keep everything on top of here. Everything I bring up from the water, I try to bring to the top of this the wall here. And try to keep this area as clean as possible. I'm almost done.